Hello everyone, Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. I'm excited. I'm very, very excited for many reasons, many deals, many investments, many coaches happening. But what I want to talk about right now is mobile home title solutions. The number one call I repeatedly get is from realtors, brokers, investors, whether real estate, mobile homes, people getting into mobile homes, people trying to sell their mobile homes, people trying to buy mobile homes, people wanting to do land packages, etc. The list goes on. The number one question: how can I get a title? The mobile home does not have a title currently. They're asking me to verify the VIN. I don't know how to do that. They say something about a bond title, but I can't get to this. And because of that, I can't make the sale. I can't make the purchase. I can't get lending. The list goes on. I've had repetitive coaching lessons, one by one, just coaching different realtors, different brokers. And right as I get done with one of them comes another one, which is a great problem in a way, but we all need to figure it out. So what I decided to do now, this is going to happen in November. And like I mentioned, all the issues with the titles, with the liens, with the bonds, how to verify VINs, the HUD data, HUD plate. Some of you don't know what I'm mentioning. That's okay. If you're getting into mobile home investing, you want to know the stuff. If you're a park owner, if you're a park manager, and you have somebody abandon the mobile home, maybe you evicted them, got them out of there, they didn't pay lot rent, whatever it was, and they left it and leave a title behind, that mobile home now is abandoned. Legally, you can't do a whole lot unless you go through the proper steps. But what if we can speed that process? What if we can get you a title within 4 weeks with the process that we have in line? And that's what we're doing, guys. We are getting titles for mobile homes that haven't been titled, change titles. Some of these mobile homes have been sold 7, 8, 9 different times on bill of sales. But at the county, you still have the original seller because it has not been done properly. A proper closing on a mobile home happens when you deliver a bill of sale and a title, which then therefore they can go out and register. They go out and register that, and then they put it in their name. So that's what we're going to be covering November 30th, the last Wednesday of November, right before December. It's going to be a virtual call. You don't even have to travel. Get on your Zoom, get on your virtual. I'm going to make it so easy for all of y'all. Guys, this is really truly a lifesaver in many ways. I've seen too many times when I've heard realtors or brokers, or we couldn't make a deal, we had to pass up on this, or we couldn't do a closing because we couldn't get a title. Blows my mind. Guys, do your research, and I know it's a lot there, but I'm going to save you all that from that. I'm going to save you a lot of headaches, a lot of stress, a lot of money, save you thousands and make you thousands, because that's what it is. For you investors getting out there, getting ready to invest, what if you could come into communities, to park owners, park managers? You learn our process, and you can go in there and ask them, do you have any mobile homes that are trouble with documents, the legality side? Maybe homes you can't do anything with. Yeah, we have 5 or 6 of them there, but we can't do anything. You could have them if you could do something with them. That's 5, 6 homes you just got for free because you know how to do the process. You take them on, you engage in the title process, and you're able to acquire a title in your name or your LLC, whatever it is, and therefore you're able to do business. You see how this is huge. I mean, I'm putting it out there. It's going to be a one-time. It is a one-time call. It is November 30th. 7 p.m. EST time. I want to say that call is going to be around 2 hours long because I want to show you every step from identifying the bin. That is step number 1. There's places inside the mobile home that you're able to go in and check it out. Places on the outside that you can go out and check it out. And if it does not, you move over into the HUD data plate, which is located on the outside. That doesn't check out as well. We go into the tax records. We go into the systems. We use a lot of systems where we're able to pull up a lot of information, and we'll show you every step of those as well. We're going to show you how to start a bond title company. Okay, how to start with the bond title company. You'll need a VIN verification, which does involve an officer coming out to the community, coming out to the mobile home, and basically they're there to make sure it is not stolen. That's the way they put it. They're there to verify the VIN, nothing more. Once that process is done, then we engage with the bond title company and we start that process. Sounds like a lot of steps going on, and it can seem that way. It can seem overwhelming, but beautiful thing about once you do one thing one time, it gets easier, and we're going to make it as easy as for you as possible. So join us, okay? GarciaMHU.com. There'll be a link on this video as well where you can immediately direct yourself and join us then. See you then, November 30th. Thank you for watching.